Have you ever met someone who always says yes today, but tomorrow, their answer changes like the wind? Parang wala kang mapangahawakan sa mga sinasabi nila kasi feeling mo lahat na lang ng sasabihin nila sa'yo hindi sigurado at nagbabago in just a blink of an eye. Alam naman natin promises are easy to make, but they're harder to keep. And when you keep changing your mind, your word loses their weight. Madaling magsalita, mahirap gawin. Ito ang kadalasang hindi naiintindihan ng taong nangangako sa atin. Pangakong napapako. People will stop trusting you not because of one mistake, but because of the pattern you create. Kaya dahan-dahan ding mawawalan tiwala nila sa'yo. Mawawalan sila ng gana makipag-usap sa'yo. A decision is not about being perfect. It's about being firm, standing on what you said even when it's not convenient. Kasi ang totoong paninindigan, hindi basta-basta sumusuko at hindi rin agad-agad nagbabago ng walang mabigat na dahilan. And when you back down from every commitment, you're not just breaking your word, you're breaking yourself little by little. Unti-unti mo rin sinisira ang sarili mong kredibilidad na magpapalakasanan ng tiwala ng ibang tao sa'yo. Integrity is rare today, but it's the strongest foundation of respect. Say less, but mean every word you say. Mas mabuti na lang na manahimik tayo kaysa puro tayo salita. Itikaw mang bibig at isipin ng malalim, ano ba dapat natin gawin? Ano bang hindi dapat gawin? Always remember, silence is better than a promise you don't intend to keep. Dahil ang pangakong napapako, masakit kaysa sa katahimikan. Hindi ito biro. At ito ay nakakasira ng personalidad ng isang tao. And when you finally stand by your own word, people will see not just your voice, but your character. Makikita nila hindi lang ang sinasabi mo, kundi kung sino ka talaga. Dahil nakikita nila ang pagkatao mo kung sino ka at kung paano ka magdesisyon sa sarili at sa buhay mo. So in the end, it's simple. Words are nothing without actions, and actions are nothing without consistency. Sabi nga nila, hindi lahat ng salita ay may laman. Ang gawa, ang tunay na sukatan. So if you want to be trusted, stop changing your mind every time the wind blows. Stand firm because your word is your honor.